So today I am very excited to do an open box on this huge box of rose. This is actually from KMM Roses. It's a very small nursery. They have awesome rose. I bought my roses for them for years, okay, and they had the best rose out there. Now they are in Mississippi. So it's actually just a 1.5, almost a 1.5 hour drive for me. So I drive there all the time. But I was busy, so this time I just asked them to send the, rose for me. Now it's very difficult to get on hold of them. I mean, everybody knows that in the rose group. But trust me, it's worth it because look at what I got today. I just want to show you how good their roses are. So these are the Discontinued David Austin rose. Okay, so it's very hard to find. I have Abraham Darby, Grace, Pretty Jessica, and also Leland Austin in there. They are all 2-gallon roses, so they are big. These boxes is huge. 2-gallon, they put all the soil in there, so it's not something that is tiny, and it's really a good price. I'll show you the price later, but let's go open it up right now. Okay, look at that. So I actually arrived yesterday, and look at that, is the en route, people. It's not your tiny stick rose. I'm so used to tiny stick rose. Now this is Abraham Darby, so it actually has a broken cane yesterday. So it was pretty big cane. I'll show you how big is the cane. Yeah, so here's a cane. Look at how long is this cane. I'm just going to soak it in the water first, and then I might propagate it and see how many I can get out of it. I mean, I don't know. It's such a waste. It's such a big cane. But anyway, back into the water you are. Okay. So this is Abraham Darby, and this is Leland Austin. I'm gonna open it up for y'all. So let me show you the receipt. I'm gonna hide my information. Wait a second. All right, there you go. So this is the price for the roses, and they do charge a cotton fee of $16 and the shipping of $25, which, this is a heavy ship like package. I think it's really reasonable because it's so big, so heavy. So overall, I think it's a very good price for the roses that I received. So average is about $30. I would say $30 each rose. Not bad at all with the shipping included. So let me pull them out, all of them, and I will show you how it looks after I bring them out. It's very secure. It's very hard for me to. It's gonna take a while. All right, wait up. So that's it. After fighting with the boxes for a long time, they actually glue the boxes in the big boxes. So that made it tough to get it out. I mean, I don't know how that branches can be broke off because of how secure this little boxes is to the box. But hey, there he is. I'm just gonna try to propagate them. Sorry, there's a train passing by just now. So there you go. So this is Abraham Darby. It's very well branched. I mean, honestly, if you don't have one big branch broke off, it's gonna be such an awesome plant. Really beautiful. Very thick branch. I'm so used to the stick when I get en route, so this is amazing to me. So this is Leland Austin. I like that color already. James said this is beautiful, so I got one because his recommendation. All right, this is something that I've been waiting for. This is Pretty Jessica. Look at that. Look at how upright it is. It's a very upright roses. So I want Pretty Jessica for a long time, and I used to have one with Paladin Rose, but it was so weak and it just got killed. So this time I might put it in another location. We'll see how. I'll see where I can squeeze this in. But I just want to try again. And this is on root, so hopefully it will be able to grow back better with the winter damage and everything, because my winter is pretty crazy this year. Alright, this is Grace. So Grace is the one that looked the smallest among them. But still lots of branches, you can see right here. So lots of branches. They also come with a little flower bud, so I can get to see how it looks like. Okay. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal so far. So again, if you want to order from K&M, my recommendation is to call them instead of email them. Call them, and you may need to keep trying. Best time to call is really early morning, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday. Just don't call during Monday, because Monday is the shipping day. So they're very old-fashioned. They are very they just don't really have a lot of helpers, so they're very slow in responding. So but they have the best rose, guys, and they have they have a lot of discontinued David Austin roses, and I know they're gonna have more coming out in fall, lots of them. So just stay tuned and keep trying. I know it's frustrated, but guys, seriously, you gotta keep trying. Okay, all right, I'll talk to you then. Bye.